Hi, I'm Rebecca Diamond, and I'd like to welcome you to the iThemes YouTube video channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on iThemes Security Pro Debug Mode. Debug mode isn't something you'll need to leave running all the time. However, sometimes when you send in a support ticket, our support staff might ask you to go ahead and turn on debug mode so that we can get a little bit more information and help you get your site running smoothly with iThemes Security Pro and your particular configuration. To turn it on, you'll need an FTP client or cPanel file manager. In your FTP client or cPanel file manager, go ahead and open wp-config.php and scroll down and look for the line that says, "That's all, stop editing, happy publishing." You'll paste in this one line of code and save that file to your server. Once that's done, when you reload your site, you'll see that the debug menu is now available in the security submenu on your WordPress dashboard. It gives you the information that the support team will need. Just follow the steps that they've given you in your support ticket in order to share that information with them. And when you're all done, don't forget to go back in, delete that line of code from your wp-config.php file and save it. Once that is done, you'll see the debug menu is now gone from your site. And that's all there is to it. It's just that simple to turn iThemes Security Pro Debug on and off. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more great tips and tricks.